Hey guys, welcome. Technical Builder here. Today in this video, I'll be talking about 5 best wallpaper application for your iPhone. So let's start the video. So here I will talking about last to first. So your fifth rank wallpaper is called wallpapers. Here if you see this is a very simple wallpaper application with a simple wallpapers, but the graphics are very good. Okay, the gradients or the designs are really good. They're unique, you won't find them anywhere else, and there are variety of options available here. There are multiple categories with a great unique wallpapers and simple wallpapers. If you are the guy who want to keep your home screen or the lock screen very clean or simple or decent, then this app will help you out with the best wallpapers in a simple way. And downloading is very simple. Just open the wallpapers, click on download, and here just click on share and save the image. So guys, now let's see the next application, that is your fourth rank, that is WRPPR. So once you open the application, you will see something new and strange and unique images. So guys, actually these are all real images. Yes guys, they all are real images clicked from our satellite. So some are from the earth surfaces, some are from the space. So they are all original real images in HD format. The images which you are seeing on screen, they all are real images and they are on the earth surfaces. And if you open the image, you will find the original location of the images taken from. So these all images are real and they are very unique and different, and you can set them as a wallpapers on your device. Downloading image is very simple. Just open the image, okay, click on download and save it to your camera roll. It's very simple as shown in the video. Talking about next wallpaper app, that is a Paperscore Dot, which is my favorite wallpaper for a very long time. If you open the wallpaper app, you will find simple UI with the 3 columns displaying the wallpapers of a different category, right? And similarly, if you swipe right side or left side, you will find the categories. So these are all categories available in wallpapers. So choose your favorite category and view wallpaper as per the category. Once you do that, let's see how to download the wallpapers in your device. For that, open any image. Once you do that, here you can view how it looks in your device of a home screen and the lock screen. If you like the wallpapers, even downside bottom you will see a download icon. Okay, just tap on that. First time it asks for access, allow it, and the wallpaper will be saved to your device. Similarly, open any image, click on download icon, and the wallpaper will be saved in your device in a camera roll. Now let's see who is second one or rank 2 wallpaper app, that is your Pear Wallpaper. This is a completely new wallpaper app in the App Store. Once you open the app, you will find something unique design or unique category in the application. So it is a completely Pear wallpapers available for you. So now you will ask, what is Pear Wallpaper? So guys, basically this app will give us wallpapers for our lock screen as well as a home screen. So same design or a same category or a same theme wallpapers for a lock screen as well as a home screen. So guys, with a different design or a different layout, wallpapers are made available for the both. Initially when the app was launched, all the wallpapers were free, but now as the people get to know about the wallpaper app, okay, they made it premium and some are paid wallpapers. But there are multiple free wallpapers as you can see on screen. Here is one new one. So lock screen and the home screen, they both are same but with a different design, right? If you see here, now if you go to camera roll and see here, there are 2 wallpapers of a same person, same category or same design. So like that you can choose to set one for lock screen and another for a home screen. Like that it will give a complete different look for your mobile. And now let's talk about the number 1 or the rank 1 wallpaper app in my category, that is your wallpapers. This has been my primary wallpaper app in current times. There are multiple reasons why I ranked this app as a number 1. The first one is they update wallpapers every day. You will find new wallpaper every day here. Okay. The second one is your completely free wallpapers. They have one a pro version or a premium version, but the wallpapers which you see on screen, they are really good. Okay, the premium quality wallpapers for completely free, not like any other application which keeps good quality wallpapers for paid version and the bad ones for a free. And the best thing is that the wallpaper which they add, they all are based on current trend or current event. For example, your Apple event or the games like Imposter or the Halloween event. Based on current event in current time, they upload the wallpapers which are really good. I hope you also like this application as I like it very much. And guys, lastly, if you're still here, okay, if you like this video, please give it a like and please subscribe for more awesome videos on your iPhone apps and games, iPhone update, iOS solutions and tricks. So guys, thank you very much.